Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of Agile project management with a focus on something that can truly elevate your team's performance. Scrum Ceremonies. Whether you're a seasoned Scrum Master or just getting started with Agile methodologies, this video is packed with insights to unleash your team's efficiency. But before we dive in, if you find this content valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. All right, let's kick things off by understanding what Scrum Ceremonies are. Imagine them as the heartbeat of your Agile project. We've got sprint planning, daily stand-ups, sprint review, and retrospective. These ceremonies provide structure, communication, and continuous improvement, essential elements for any successful project. First up, sprint planning. This ceremony is all about laying the foundation for a successful sprint. It's the time when the team and the product owner come together to prioritize the backlog, set goals, and define what can realistically be achieved in the upcoming sprint. Now, let's talk about the daily stand-up, a quick daily check-in that keeps the team on the same page. Each team member shares what they did yesterday, what they're working on today, and any blockers they're facing. It's not just a status update, it's a powerful tool for collaboration and problem-solving. The sprint review is the time to showcase the team's accomplishments. The product owner reviews the work completed during the sprint, and stakeholders provide feedback. It's a celebration of progress and an opportunity to align everyone's expectations with the evolving product. Last but not least, the retrospective. This is where the team reflects on the sprint, what went well, what could be improved, and how to implement those improvements in the next iteration. It's a key element for fostering a culture of continuous improvement within your team. Now that we've covered the basics, let's share some tips to make your Scrum ceremonies even more effective. Establish a consistent schedule, encourage open communication, and always focus on the key principles of transparency, inspection, and adaptation. And there you have it, a deep dive into the world of Scrum ceremonies. By incorporating these practices into your Agile workflow, you're not just managing projects, you're driving a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay agile, stay efficient, and keep rocking those Scrum ceremonies.